how to turn on or turn off live transcribe open sound notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, at the top, swipe down to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, at the top, tap on live transcribe. Now tap on open live transcribe. Then we go down and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on open sound notifications. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once you turn it on, you can tap on the second option here, listening. And in here, you can choose what sound types to be monitored or listening for. So here, if you don't want dog barking or baby sound, we can switch it off. Knocking or dog barking or appliances beeping, you can switch it off. Landline phone ringing, we can also switch it off. And anything that you want to turn off or turn on, you can do so from here. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.